What go on, my people? So vybz Kartel, who was charged with the 2011 killing jointly with Sean Storm, Kaima Jones, and Andre St. John's, won their appeal on July 9th, 2018. And it's a good look for vybz Kartel. His fans, they're elated right now. All I'm fans them, because everyone know vybz Kartel have fans all over the world. You know what I mean? Because I'm one of the greatest dancehall artists. You see me? So right now it is gonna be reviewed, because according to his lawyer, they're saying that they want his conviction to be overturned because of tampering with phone evidence. You know what I mean? And that's the basis they're going on. You see me? So we don't know what's gonna go on. We're still watching the development, because I don't know, previously remember that this was unraveled in front of the media. So with the prevalence of the internet now and everyone having social media, it's gonna be magnified even more. Yeah, so we're gonna keep everyone updated. The presiding judge over this case would be Dennis Morrison. And Dennis Morrison, people haven't been in the court system that long. Neither is as Patrick Brooks. And for some reason I Google this Justice Frank Williams, and there's not a lot of information about him. You know what I mean? But they are the presiding judge over this case, and we're gonna watch as this case develop. And we're not gonna be one that broadcasts stuff that's fictitious or assumption. We want the real truth and the authentic facts of what's going on. So we're not going to run down views, people, and broadcast anything that's not real. You know what I mean? So anytime we broadcast, it's because it's authentic. You see me? Peace. I'm out.
Yo, theater. Me want go. Me want go. Listen, you can't get pum my prison. And next man have your girl when you're missing. Stay far from war, got a copper and lead. You can't get head when you're dead. The food a shit, the bed a concrete. Sunday cleaner, and me damn sheet. You can't sleep dead, me a warn you. I peel roach and rat a crawl upon you. When the cage lock, you have to tug it up. In a them place, ya dirty like rubbish truck. Me just a pre-back, happy days memories. When me kids, when me wife, when me Benzes. Them place, ya make you know who your friends is. Make you know the real girl, them from the NCs. If you a punk, if you not know defenses. Bad man jailer, beat out your senses. The electric fences and the tall wall. Regular messy, man sit down and start ball. Society, there's a neighbor you can't go. Every day so me just a pray say me want go. Me want go. Me want go. Me want go. Listen, you can't get pum my prison. And next man have your girl when you're missing. Stay far from war that a copper and lead. You can't get head when you lock down for 23 hours. 1 hour split up in a 2 half hour. 15 for food and 15 for shower. Couple hour later the next 30 minutes is 15 for wash dirty clothes if you got none. 15 for look smokings for go lock down. Real dogs no back down. Inna them place for you get a jam a stop. The medical a wait for you. The victim surrender. Why the fuck up the offender? So who are the real winner? Long time me don't eat a real dinner. Meal in a fuck up, so me smuggle some rum through the steel window. Just forget me appetite, happy right, you know. Prison have a code, but zip, not you code. Like my father, me want do road. Society, let me out back on you road. Me want go. Me want go.